Hi friends, and welcome back to another video of Woolworths and Big W Mystery Bricks packet opening. Yay! Oh, there seems to be lots of pieces in this one. I wonder what it is. Let's open it. Oh, rip. Oh no, all the pieces went everywhere. Uh-oh, okay. Yeah, it looks like we've got a carrot patch. That's awesome. I just have to pick up all the pieces that I dropped. Okay, so I've got all the pieces and let's build this together. We've got this brown one here, what I would say is going to be the soil. And then we've got all these other pieces here. So I'm just going to have a look on the back. No sticker. So let's put this together. Let's have a little looky. So we put they're so little. We put a carrot bit there, which is orange. And then it wants another carrot bit there. And then it wants, sugar. They're slippery. Put a little green bit on there. Maybe we'll take, there we go. I put that one next to that one. That one there. Oh goodness. And I want that there, whatever that is supposed to be. And then I guess that one there and that one there. Okay, I think we've done it, sort of. We are missing an orange piece, but I have had a really good look for it and I can't find it anywhere. So maybe the vacuum cleaner will find it next time we clean the floors, or I don't know. So anyway, there's one that we haven't had before. Thank goodness for no double ups, and that's a carrot patch. So we can put the carrot patch there. Now I'm going to be really careful the way I open this one so the pieces don't go everywhere. This one feels sort of similar. Oh, maybe not. Let's see what it is. Let's hope no double ups. First looks. Ooh, this is one we have not had before. Solar panels. Yay, and we get to play with stickers too. All right, let's empty all the pieces out really carefully. Learnt my lesson on that last one. Come on. I love how they're giving us sustainability vibes with the solar panels. Hello, I love it. Now we're getting in nice and close, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to put the solar panel stickers on. So, oh, come on. I always have trouble with these stickers. They're so little. Well, little for me. Now, we put them on, and if it's not perfectly straight, that's okay. But that's pretty close. And we put the other solar panel sticker on. Fun times. Loving the sustainability message we're giving too. There we go. Oh, amazing. They are solar panels. Okay. So these ones look pretty simple. We just put our solar panels on our little triangle bits. Now I did say that looked simple. Is that right? Have I done it right? Yes, I have. Oh my goodness, I did it right. First go. Amazing. Also, if you don't get it right the first go, that's okay too. So there's one. Oh, there's one set. And I'll show you these pieces are incredibly tiny and a little bit triangle-y. So we'll just put them on the back, the base, and then we have two gorgeous solar panels. Oh wait, that's not straight. There we go. Or, did I do it right? Yeah. Hooray! Okay, look what I've got. Another pack, and guess what? I am going to open it right now. Oh, you know what? It kind of feels familiar, and I was really, really hoping for an animal or a person, but this feels like an object. So let's have a look. Rip. First looks. Oh yes, this looks familiar. It is. Oh, it's another set of toys. How amazing. You can never have too many toys. You just ask my 3-year-old son, he'll tell you. All right. Now, I believe these were incredibly easy to put together. So we put the 2 purple bricks on like so. Then we put the purple lid on top of the purple bricks. Oh, is that right? Yep. And then we put this green brick. And we put the lid on the green brick. And then, of course, we use the stickers. So we'll put the doll sticker on first. Oh, look at that. Purple with purple. Loves it. And there's another doll toy. And on this one, we've got the home starter pack toy. Tell me in the comments, what is your favourite toy? I've got lots of favourite toys. I like jigsaw puzzles, and I like anything with horses. So what are your favourite toys? Please tell me in the comments. I'm really interested to know. My little boy, who's 3 years old, Cooper, he loves playing with Hot Wheels cars. They're his favourite toys. And these are the toys that we've just got in today's mystery packet. We can put it with the other toys. Over there. There they are. Look what I've got here. I have another envelope, but I'm not going to open this packet right now. But I will open it in a future video. So what I need you to do is press the like button for this video, the subscribe button, and of course, please do tap the notifications bell so you get notified of the next video that I post, and I'll see you in the next video.